This morning, a brutal winter wallop not letting up.
You definitely need layers when you come outside.
Parts of western New York buried in more than 2 feet of lake-effect snow. The roads so treacherous near Buffalo. Some drivers like Joe Chanelli forced to spend Monday night at a rest stop after getting snowed in.
We just watched the snow come down. Everyone was taking it pretty well.
In the Midwest, firefighters battled a major blaze in sub-zero temps. Despite the harsh conditions, they managed to rescue 2 adults and a child. Meanwhile, large chunks of ice blocked a water intake pipe at a treatment plant in Pittsburgh, affecting water pressure in the city. Emergency crews used a barge and a tugboat to clear the Allegheny River. And at Chicago's O'Hare Airport,
we're not able to provide air traffic control services.
Control tower workers forced to evacuate after a pipe burst in the bitter cold, leading to a temporary ground stop. Hospitals nationwide also feeling the freeze. In Michigan, health officials say emergency room visits for cold-related illness are up 50% this week.
In this Arctic punch, and seconds count. So you really have to take precautions.
But some enjoying the wintry blast, including snow leopards and bison at the zoo. Experts urge caution against going outside for extended periods of time. But if necessary, look out for signs of frostbite, which can include numbness and pale skin. Hypothermia is also something to watch out for. Those signs include extreme shivering, confusion, and drowsiness. Guys.
All right. Take that seriously. Yeah. All right, for a closer look at the cold and that brewing storm, let's say good morning to Al.
Hi, good morning, guys, and good morning to you, boy. Let's say we're going to have to buckle up, friends, because we got cold air, bitterly cold air, 31 million people. We are looking right now at wind chills in New York City. It feels like 10, 6 in Saranac Lake, 8 in Detroit. And then we've got this second storm that's going to be developing. That cold air is going to be locked in. So we got this Pacific storm moving in from the southwest. We've got moisture coming up out of the Pacific. That's going to surge into the plains, and that's going to start off the snow and ice. And then we've got this second tap of moisture coming in out of the Gulf. You add to that this Arctic air that's coming in here. It's going to collide with this tropical moisture. This is going to be a mess. So tomorrow, snow and ice begin Friday afternoon. Treacherous travel after sunset from Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Oklahoma City. We move on into Saturday. We're talking heavy snow, about a 1,500-mile trek from Oklahoma east into Atlanta. Below that, we're looking at ice from San Angelo, Dallas, Little Rock. Could be crippling. We're looking at Sunday, significant snow moving into the mid-Atlantic area, an increasing chance of heavy snow moving into the northeast. So here's the deal. We take a look at this snowfall amount. We're talking 8 to 14 inches, Oklahoma City. Little Rock, 6 to 12 inches. The ice, again, anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of ice. That brings down trees, power lines from San Angelo, Shreveport on into Tupelo. And then the snow. So the European model is going to bring this thing up into the Ohio Valley and into the Northeast with that axis of heavy snow from Boston, Columbus, Springfield. The American model, a little further to the south, the heavier snow moves still south, but still, we are talking, it's still a little too early to talk about accumulations, guys, but this thing is going to be constantly evolving. We're watching these models, but right now we're talking about a significant storm for much of the country going into Monday.
It's going to be nasty, huh?
Yeah. Right.
All right. I will come back to you in just a few moments. Thank you for that.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.